Creating an unforgettable impression at gatherings requires more than exceptional culinary skills and carefully selected recipes. The presentation of your food plays an equally critical role in transforming ordinary occasions into extraordinary experiences that guests remember long after the last bite disappears. Whether hosting an elegant dinner party, celebrating a milestone birthday, or simply enjoying afternoon tea with friends, how you display your culinary creations speaks volumes about your attention to detail and hosting sophistication. The Malacasa three-tier serving tray emerges as the definitive solution for hosts seeking to elevate their presentation game while maintaining practical functionality that makes entertaining genuinely enjoyable. This stunning porcelain serving platter and tray combination represents the perfect marriage of timeless elegance and modern practicality. Standing at an impressive 12 inches with 3 spacious tiers, this tiered tray stand provides generous display space for desserts, appetizers, fruits, and countless other delicacies while creating a visually striking centerpiece that draws admiring glances from every guest who approaches your table. Premium porcelain construction that impresses. The foundation of any exceptional serving piece lies in its construction quality, and the Malacasa tiered serving tray delivers excellence at every level. Crafted from high-quality food-grade porcelain, each of the 3 rectangular ceramic trays exhibits the smooth, lustrous surface that discerning hosts demand. This premium material choice ensures chip resistance and exceptional durability, protecting your investment through countless celebrations and daily use scenarios. The brilliant white finish of the porcelain serving platters creates a stunning contrast that makes every food item pop with visual appeal. Whether displaying vibrant fresh fruits, colorful petit fours, or elegant finger sandwiches, the neutral white backdrop enhances the natural beauty of your culinary presentations without competing for attention. This versatile aesthetic seamlessly complements any existing decor style, from contemporary minimalist to traditional elegant settings. Key features that set this serving stand apart: 3 spacious rectangular porcelain trays for versatile food presentation. Sturdy collapsible black metal rack provides stable support. Adjustable configurations allow customized height and arrangement. Food-grade porcelain construction ensures safety and durability. Dishwasher, microwave, oven, and refrigerator safe. For ultimate convenience, screwless assembly requires no tools for quick setup. Stackable and collapsible design maximizes storage efficiency. Classic white and black color combination suits any decor. Unmatched versatility for every occasion. The extraordinary versatility of this 3-tier serving stand transforms it from a simple serving piece into an indispensable entertaining essential. Tea parties reach new heights of sophistication when delicate scones, finger sandwiches, and petit fours cascade elegantly across the 3 tiers. Wedding receptions benefit from the dramatic presentation possibilities, allowing hosts to create stunning dessert displays that photograph beautifully and impress guests. Holiday gatherings become more memorable when festive treats receive the elevated presentation they deserve. Beyond traditional food service, this tiered dessert stand adapts remarkably to non-culinary applications. Creative hosts discover innovative uses as a jewelry display during boutique-style parties, a cosmetics organizer for bathroom counters, or an elegant showcase for decorative items during home tours. The adjustable configurations enable endless customization possibilities, ensuring this serving tray platter's investment delivers value far beyond its initial purpose. Outstanding benefits for discerning hosts. Creates sophisticated visual impact that elevates any gathering. Maximizes table space by displaying items vertically rather than horizontally. Provides safe, food-grade surface for serving appetizers, desserts, and fruits. Reduces hosting stress with easy assembly and cleanup. Offers professional presentation quality at an accessible price point. Delivers exceptional durability for years of reliable service. Thoughtful design that prioritizes convenience. Understanding the demands faced by busy hosts, Malacasa engineered this fruit tray and serving stand with practical convenience at its core. The innovative screwless assembly system eliminates frustrating setup experiences, allowing hosts to prepare stunning displays within moments rather than wrestling with complicated hardware. The straight-leg design provides intuitive assembly that anyone can master immediately, regardless of technical aptitude. The collapsible metal rack folds compactly when not in use, addressing the storage challenges that plague many entertaining accessories. Rather than consuming valuable cabinet or pantry space, this tiered platter tucks neatly into kitchen drawers or cabinets alongside other essential items. This space-saving design proves particularly valuable for apartment dwellers and those with modest kitchen storage capacity. The adjustable angle feature allows hosts to customize the presentation according to specific event requirements and guest accessibility needs. Whether creating a dramatic cascading display or a more accessible flat configuration, the flexible metal rack accommodates various preferences while maintaining rock-solid stability throughout your event. Durability that withstands real-world entertaining. The robust construction of this appetizer serving tray extends beyond the porcelain plates to include the sturdy black metal rack that forms the structural backbone of the entire system. This carefully engineered support structure provides unwavering stability even when fully loaded with heavy items. Delicate pastries and substantial fruit arrangements receive equally reliable support, eliminating concerns about tipping or instability that plague lesser serving stands. The porcelain trays themselves demonstrate remarkable resilience against the chips, cracks, and scratches that typically afflict ceramic serving pieces over time. This chip-resistant construction protects your investment while maintaining the pristine appearance that makes first impressions so powerful. Years of regular use leave these serving trays looking virtually identical to their original showroom condition. Effortless maintenance for busy lifestyles. Post-event cleanup often represents the least enjoyable aspect of hosting, but this cookie display stand and cupcake stands for dessert table dramatically simplifies the process. The smooth porcelain surface releases food residue easily, requiring only basic washing to restore pristine cleanliness. For maximum convenience, the ceramic trays accommodate dishwasher cleaning, eliminating tedious hand-washing requirements. The versatility extends to temperature extremes as well. These serving platters handle microwave warming for last-minute heating needs, oven use for keeping appetizers warm, and refrigerator storage for chilled desserts and cold appetizers. This comprehensive temperature compatibility expands serving possibilities while streamlining preparation workflows. The perfect gift for those who love to entertain. Beyond personal use, this white tiered serving tray makes an exceptional gift choice for housewarmings, bridal showers, weddings, Christmas celebrations, birthdays, and baby showers. The classic design appeals to recipients across all age groups and decorating preferences, ensuring your thoughtful gift finds immediate and lasting appreciation. The combination of elegant appearance, practical functionality, and durable construction creates a present that recipients genuinely use rather than relegating to forgotten cabinet corners. Each time they host guests and receive compliments on their beautiful presentation, your thoughtfulness receives renewed appreciation, perfect for these occasions and individuals. This three-tier serving tray proves ideal for tea party enthusiasts, wedding planners, holiday hosts, potluck contributors, brunch organizers, and anyone who appreciates beautiful food presentation. Home bakers showcasing their creations, caterers seeking portable display solutions, and families celebrating special occasions all discover exceptional value in this versatile serving stand. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.